Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Honda Pilot EXL. It's really my first time driving this platform. I've driven the Ridgeline, but I've not driven the Pilot. Those are your cargo mats, everything you would ever need. Do believe it has auto locking, so once I shut the door and start walking away, yeah, it locks itself. Here's your window sticker, obsidian blue, pearl, interior color of gray, 6-speed automatic, 280 horsepower, 3.5 liter, B-Tech V6 motor, ton of fun. When new, stickered for $39,195. Oh wait, it opens on the inside. Oi. There. There's the button. Here it is. That's how you open that. So you'll notice when you come in, the engine start-stop button pulses. Put your foot on the brake, it lights fully. And when it's on, it's red. This is your key, basic Honda key. Do have a normal key inside if the battery were to die. And I'm sure there's a place. I know in almost every car there's a place where you can put the key if the battery's dying. I think you just put it right up to the engine start-stop button. Sometimes they're hidden here. Oh, it folds up, that's how. Nice sunroof. You know what, I'll leave that open. It brightens up the interior a bit. Passes the visor test. And then you have garage door opener with 3 slots. Backup camera. Yeah, without further ado, let's take it for a drive. The Pilot is one of the most popular SUVs on sale. I see them all over the place. Matter of fact, there's one right there, same gen and everything. They are really fun to drive. That's something that surprised me. The V6 has a ton of power, and it sounds absolutely phenomenal. Once we turn onto the highway, V-Tech kicks in right about 5,500 RPM. And then it really starts to scream, and it is really, really cool to hear the secondary valves open up and really deliver as much power as it can. It's really, really a great powertrain, and I'm not a typical Honda fanboy either, where I think V-Tech is the fastest thing in the world. When VTEC kicks in, man, this thing hauls. There's no way I'm stopping for that. Even though I couldn't stop for that light without throwing all my camera stuff all over the place, these brakes are really, really good. Good amount of bite. When you activate the right turn signal, this comes up to act as your blind spot monitoring. Camera's only on that side, you really don't need it on your driver's side. Not exactly sure what they're doing here, but I think they're putting that elastic, that rubber crack sealer. Driving around, super comfortable. The armrests are adjustable, so if you want it right there, you can have it there. Because there's no typical center console that's sat high up. I think that's absolutely ingenious. I'm surprised more manufacturers haven't done that. Unless Honda has a patent for the technology, which I wouldn't be surprised if they did. There's another Pilot. There's no sport mode per se, but you do have low, which keeps it in the lowest gear possible. But your sport mode is located on the side of the shifter. It's called D4, tops out at 4th gear, so it kind of prevents it from going into overdrive. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.